We done snuck up in our room. We weren't supposed to get in here for a little while. The water's already got you. Anyway, we done stuck in our room.
I didn't bring Benadryl, nothing.
I got Benadryl.
Oh, hey.
This is our room. Couch. TV.
We didn't get out of here. We ain't supposed to be in
The
here.
balcony.
That balcony ain't big. That ain't like the other one. On the back of the boat had on. Come on.
Oh. New Orleans, y'all. So excited. Wish y'all could be here. Bye, y'all. Y'all, look what I done got my hands on. First drink of the day. Wish y'all was with us. Bye, y'all. Oh, you caught me. Look what I got. Look what he's got. Nothing.
Christian.
Nothing. How you gonna get on the boat and not get a margarita?
I don't
Come on,
like
y'all.
you do.
Wish y'all was with us. There's New Orleans. Well, now we're just waiting to get out there in that ocean so we can hit that casino. Last time I come, the very first $100 bill I put in there, I hit jackpot. Let's just hope I can have the same luck as I did last time. Anyways, we'll keep y'all updated. And follow us on YouTube because we'll be posting a lot and longer videos on that. But anyways, we'll see you after a while. Y'all, it looks like I'm gonna have to wear a hat because look at this hair. That wind's got it going every kind of where. You see my receding hairline? Ugh. Sure does taste good, y'all. Take another sip. Bye. I'm out here sitting on this balcony, and the boat is moving. You can barely see it move, but it's moving. It's moving. Ready. I don't know if this ship's gonna be able to handle me and Adam at the same time, sure. But they'll do their best. Y'all, I might wait on that one in there. Let me show you what he is doing. We just got on the boat and it just started moving. I'm gonna show y'all. I've been sitting out here on this balcony and it's moving. There's a little tugboat. Tug along. Alright. Adam. This is what he loves to do. Now we just got on the boat. Does that not beat all you ever seen in your life? Y'all, about to leave.